Good morning, students of class 10. Today we are going to learn about the circulation of blood. Okay, we have already learned that the heart is of four chamber, that is right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, and left ventricle, and it is separated by an important layer that is known as septum. And you have two valves over here. Altogether we have four valves, but over here two valves, that is tricuspid valves and bicuspid valves. And we have pulmonary valve over here and aortic valve, so four valves together. So let us understand the circulation of blood now. The deoxygenated blood from the vena cavas over here, you have it over here, vena cavas, that is anterior vena cava, which carries deoxygenated blood from the head to the heart, and posterior vena cava, which carries deoxygenated blood from toe to the head to the heart. Deoxygenated blood flows into the right atrium. From the right atrium, the blood passes through a flap-like structure or like cup. Okay, cups. It has a cup-shaped structure known as tricuspid valves. Another name for this is right atrioventricular valve. The reason for this valve is to prevent backflow of blood. So once the blood flows inside this tricuspid, it automatically switches, it closes like a gate so that the blood cannot go back. The blood, after passing through the valves, enters the right ventricle over here. From the right ventricle, the deoxygenated blood is picked up by pulmonary artery over here. We have a pulmonary artery over here. And over here also, just like how you had the valve over here, there is also a valve known as pulmonary valve. Okay, so the pulmonary artery takes, this pulmonary artery, what does it? It moves this deoxygenated blood for oxygenation to the lungs. Okay, for oxygenation to the lungs. So the oxygenation for pulmonary artery for oxygenation to the lungs. After the oxygenation over here, the blood again flows from pulmonary vein to the left auricle. After oxygenation, the blood flows from pulmonary vein to the left auricle. Over here also, the oxygenated blood passes through a valve over here, bicuspid valve. Another name for this is left atrioventricular valve, because this is located to the left hand side, and right atrioventricular because it's located towards the right hand side of the right side of the heart. So this enters, so oxygenated blood enters from the left auricle, it enters to the left ventricle through a valve opening, that is bicuspid valve. Once, all right, from the left ventricle, it is picked up by the largest vein, that is aorta. And over here also, we have an important valve that is known as aortic valve, that prevents the backflow of the oxygenated blood. Okay, and from here, it is picked up by the largest vein, aorta, to the body. All right, so from the right ventricle, it is picked by the largest vein, aorta, to the body. I hope that you have understood this. Okay, do not worry, there will be notes also for this. It will be easier, and there is another note also, easy to remember notes that I have made, okay, for you.